good morning everyone. So in this video we're gonna interviewing our power friends. The topic is like introducing themselves first and also what is some interesting experiences that they had before and their future plans for their dream job or dream career and etc. And the last question is how much did they spend their time in social media? Is it too much or not? Is it really often or it is enough? So if you're curious, please keep on watching and stay tuned.
저라면 딱히 건데.
So good morning everyone and welcome to today's morning talk show. Today we have four amazing guests who will share their stories of themselves, their daily activities, memorable experiences, and how they use social media. So let's get started with our first guest. Could you please introduce yourself?
Of course, my name is April. I'm a student at Machung University, studying in pharmacy. My daily activities mostly include attending classes, studying, and completing assignments. In my free time, I enjoy reading books and sharing study tips on social media.
That sounds great, April. What kind of content do you share on social media?
On social media, I like to share pharmacy tips, what I learned in my classes, and motivational posts to help others. I also share some of my personal experience outside of school.
Very interesting. Now, let's move on to our second guest. Please introduce yourself and tell us about your daily routine.
Okay, hi, I'm Angie. I'm a pharmacy student at Majung University. My days are mostly spent doing lab work, assignment, and studying. When I have a free time, I watch movie.
That sounds like a busy days. Could you share a memorable experience with us?
Definitely, one of the most memorable experience for me was when I was able to complete the practicum well. During the first pharmacy practicum, I wouldn't know anything become aware of various kind of drugs and how to make them properly.
That's really awesome, Angie. Now let's hear from our third guest. Please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I'm Cecile, a pharmacy student at the University Machung, same as April. Most of my day is I spend it with study and doing my homework. Ini langsung rekaman ah?
Iya, Sil. Kameramu
Oke,
bisa on kan?
oke,
Nah,
lagi-lagi.
okay. That's awesome, Angie. Now let's hear from our third guest. Please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I'm Cecile, a pharmacy student at the University of Machung. Most of my day is I spend it with study and doing my homework.
Oh, wow, Cecil. What has been your most memorable experiences as a student of Machung University?
One of my best experience was when the laboratory practicum was in a depth. Because when we practice, it's like we are a pharmacy with that white lab coat, and it's fun. From what we didn't know anything at the time of theory, and when practicing, we can finally apply it. So that's it.
Okay, Cecil, and what is your past experience that is really interesting for you, and what is your future plans for your dream job or your career?
An interesting past experience when I was a student at Mahjong University was during the first introduction to the school environment. I took the wrong lane in the parking lot, and the security guard told me that the lane to take was on the other side, which I was very embarrassed about. And my future plan for now, I will be living my dream life. I'm going to work as a successful pharmacist at pharmaceutical industry, and I will have achieved many of the goals I have set for myself. I'm going to prioritize my personal life. I plan to live in a beautiful house with my family at Swiss. So that's it.
All right, thank you so much for your answer. How about you, Angie? What is your interesting experiences in your past, and also what is your future plans for your goals?
An interesting experience during my time as a student at Mahjong University is that I participated in LEOC activities, where I was active in helping others. This has made me more concerned about the environment around me and more active in socializing. For my future career, I would like to work in the pharmaceutical industry. How about you, Tita? How often did you spend your time for using social media?
Okay, so let me think first. Am I really often using media social or not? So the answer is I. A lot of people saying social media is just bad, but I'm using social media is 80% for studying too. The first is I'm actually following a lot of content creators who sharing their tips for studying pharmacies, studying chemistry, and that is from YouTube. That is from social media too. Also, my TikTok is full of uh, a lot of achievement there that people upload in their TikTok. So a lot of achievement that I wanna reach too because they upload it on their social media. So that is really make me envy sometimes, but I must reach it too. And that is really inspiring content, I think, because that's really cool. And I'm also using social media like YouTube from learning English. I love people who talking in a beautiful accents like British and also America. Like they are really cool, and I can find people who really fluent at English is from social media too. Cause my family is just Indonesians, not foreign. Okay. None of my family is from American or from Australia, so I can found people who really fluent at English, who had a really cool accents is just from social media. So that is, I cannot say that social media is really bad, but that's really cool for me because I can study anything that I want to study without any limits. So that's really cool, I think. And I also love studying a lot because I don't have some specific work or a specific activity that I must do. So my activity is just uh, studying. Every day is studying, but I just try to studying hard because I get a burnout sometimes. So I just want to make myself is doing better every day. And also I really love social media, and maybe 80% my time is uh, a lot of my time is spent in social media for studying, not for games or not for entertaining myself. No, it's just for studying and maybe entertaining myself like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, but also I can handle it for just studying. And I love social media. Well, now let's move to our final guest. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm there. I work as a software developer. I spend most of my day coding and solving technical problems. Outside of work, I'm active in tech communities and enjoy sharing knowledge on social media.
Sounds fascinating, dear. What kind of content do you post on social media?
I often share programming tutorial, tech review, and tips for beginners who are interested in learning to code. Social media is also a platform for me to discuss skills and experience I face in the tech world.
That is very inspiring, Dea. Thank you so much to April, Angie, Cecile, and Dea for sharing your stories with us today. By the way, how much do you guys spend your time in social media? Is it too much or not? Okay, let's
Uh,
start with April first.
no, because usually I only use social media for around 5 hours per day and play outside most of the time.
All right, that's really inspiring, April. I'm really proud of you. How about you, Angie? Did you use social media is really often or not?
Yes, because I sometimes spend a lot of time on social media when I have no assignment.
All right, how about you, Cecile? How often did you use social media in your life?
Sadly, I use it so much time when I open social media. I use it to play video game when I got free time.
All right, thank you so much for your answer. The last guest there, how often did you use your social media?
Yes, I use social media very often because, in addition to being able to entertain, I also get important information in other learning.
Okay, so Dea, let me ask you what is your interesting past experience and what is your future plans for your dream and your future job, maybe?
It was an interesting and memorable experience when I was able to do practicum in the lab because not only could I do the practice directly, but I could also gain resources and knowledge. And I plan to continue my study or continue my professional study so that I can achieve my goal of becoming a pharmacist.
Alright, thank you so much. We hope your experiences will inspire many people. See you in the next time. Dadah.
Thank you, Dida.
Thank
Udah
you.
agak lama.
Terima kasih banyak.
Ya, dadah. Nanti langsung tak upload ya. Tak edit dulu nunggu dia.
Iya, boleh. Terima kasih banyak ya, Dida.
Oke, dadah. Thank you.
Dadah, thank you. Makasih, Cecil. Makasih, Angie.
Terima kasih.